Now, the next thing you might want to look into is Dentite from Medicinal Foods. So this contains a number of ingredients you can see here. It contains that nanohydroxyapatite as well as nanosilver. Nanosilver is going to help rebalance the bacteria in the mouth to make sure that the good bacteria are there. There's lots of bacteria that live in our mouth that are super important for our health overall, but we don't want any bad bacteria as well as other things to be in there. So silver will help remove those things safely and gently, but this also contains trace minerals to help support the remineralization of teeth. So you can kind of see here what the ingredients look like. It is very simple to use. They have the ingredients right here. You put it on your toothbrush. This is